this span of time. Like we have been associated with the leading clients of West Bengal and also some leading clients of India as well. Like we have ventured into diverse fields. Each of the field is unique in itself. Like we have been associated with the leading players of the confectionery industry. We have been associated with Ganesh Atta, Prakash Spices, Bikaner Bhujiawala. We have also entered into the healthcare industry. We have been associated with institutions like Optical Palace and other centers also. We have also ventured into furniture showrooms and we have also been associated with different malls. Like we are working for City Center 2, Money Square, etc. We are almost working with each and every furniture showroom in West Bengal, like Mobile, Smooth Style Furniture, etc. etc. So this was just a brief introduction about my company. We are right now doing software development, website designing, creative designing, like our ads are published daily in leading dailies of West Bengal and also in magazines like Femina Miss India and other famous magazines. Now we have also ventured into professional training. It's been a lot of time that we have ventured into this field. We are imparting training on C, C++, Java, data structures and .NET. About this professional training, what we and also some of my friends purchase projects from some teachers in like 6,000, 7,000, etc. But what I want my students to do is that they become capable of executing their projects on their own. There is a primary motive behind giving the industrial training thing. Like we starting off with different training languages as we start training on. Let me just give a brief introduction about what is .NET all about. Like, can you tell me majority of people attending this seminar are from which year? Which year? Fourth year. Okay, so how many of you are from IT CSE? And how many are from specifically IT? Okay, so you must have BB6 you must have had BB6 in your curriculum. So, like, you are acquainted with BB6. Can you just tell me what is .NET all about? Like, it's an extension of BB6, we all know, but what is .NET all about? I think you know the answer. It's a framework, yes, it's obviously a framework. In BB6 they didn't get any particular framework. But what is, like, can you be particular what it is all about? Like, I think he's talking to someone, okay. Can any other student answer the question? He answered the question, he tried to answer the question and we put on that one. So, like, the thing is that .NET is all about object-oriented programming. In simple words, I can say .NET makes complex things easier and faster, and also in a cheap way, it helps to execute the things. Once again, I am telling that in today's time, if you don't know what object-oriented concept is, like if you join industry and if you don't know what object-oriented included in your curriculum, still why it is so much popular. Like most of the people, when you will be joining the industry, there are two main domains, .NET database. Three main domains, .NET database and Java. So can anyone of you tell me .NET is not in your curriculum, but still why it is so much popular? Manoj, you want to answer the question? I can't hear you, please be a little loud. Huh? You raise the mic now.
Because .NET is mainly focused on business logic.
No, it's not actually about that. .NET is popular because it makes things very much simpler. Like suppose I met some people outside your college only and ask them one single question and it will clear all your doubts why .NET is so much popular. Can you just tell me, see like suppose if you draw a rectangle in Java, let's compare .NET with Java.
There is also an instance of the Microsoft Sun.
No, that's not the thing. Sun is also a very big company in itself. Like Sun and Microsoft both stand. Sorry? Yes, that's what I'm telling. Java is also not a local company. It is a Sun Java.
It is also popular.
Sorry?
It is also popular. As you said that
Like it's popular. I'm not asking about popularity, but what I'm saying is that can anyone you answer why .NET is though not in your curriculum? Still why it is so much popular? Java is in your curriculum. It will be obviously popular. C is in your curriculum. It is obviously popular. But .NET is not in your curriculum. Still why it is so much popular? Like I'm telling you the answer. At least you attempted to answer the question. Like, let me tell you why .NET is so much popular. I'm just asking you a simple. Okay, I could only see the front bencher. Very sorry for that. So, like one more thing I would like to tell you, like just answer simple question for me. Okay, you only answer how much time will you take to draw a rectangle in Java. First, I should ask, do you know how to draw a rectangle in Java? How? Sorry? That's a nice of you, a very smart answer. Ah, yes, yes. Yes, your answer. Yes, your answer is totally correct. Like .NET, in .NET we can totally see, we can actually see what we are doing. We can actually see our implementations. That was a very correct answer. And suppose, but only thing you said was incorrect, and it just does not happen in web applications. It can also do the same in Windows applications. Like I don't know how many of you people know, like applications like Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint can be easily done on .NET in no time. To you that Microsoft, we are providing .NET training, C, C++, Java data structures training. So what is the primary motive? Is not to give you some project that can be downloaded from some place and can be given for the industrial training thing. Like since all of you have done all of you are in 4th year, you must have completed 3rd year projects. So you like a lot of students must have done the projects. Then some of them tell you what projects they have done in the 3rd year industrial training. What projects you have done? Online banking. But was it actually implementable? Like, did you have any knowledge about online banking? What are the different features available in online banking? Yes, actually we can access. Actually we can access. It's not a problem. Like if we want to do, we can do a weather management project also. But actually weather management project is not practically possible for us to do because whenever we learn any language, which is like Java or .NET, it will take us around 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, take a time of around 1 month. But it won't be practically possible for you to develop all these projects in just a span of 2-3 months. And you are getting 2-3 months for completing your project, if I am not wrong. Actually, you are getting 2 3 months only. Is it true or not? 2 months only, like you are like you're expressing the correct things. You are actually getting 2 months only. So what we are doing, we are not giving you to like we are not asking you to do a project. What we are doing, we are making you actually capable so that you can execute the projects on your own. Like we have already a supermarket. Any of you can visit our URL www.visiontechno.net. VISIONTECHNO.net. I can repeat it one more time. Any of you who is interested can visit us at www.vision.techno.net. So basically, we are also, if anyone of who is interested in future Microsoft programs, you may also visit us at www.visiontechno.net/Kolkata MSP. www.visiontechno.net/Kolkata KOLKATA MSP. Okay, thank you. It was very nice to be with you. Okay.